Thanks for watching the RWTA's Chilled Out series, created for you to get more information about what goes on in the Australian cold chain. My name's Marianne Kinsell, Executive Officer of the Refrigerated Warehouse and Transport Association. We are delighted to welcome today a new member of the RWTA, Haulmax Tyres. Joining us is Billy Addison. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today, Billy.
Thank you for having us. It's great to be on board with your industry body and seeing what we can offer to your database and clients working in the refrigerated space.
Absolutely. Billy, tell me a little bit about yourself first. Have you been in the industry for very long?
Yeah, so I'm a bit of a tyre tragic. I could talk tyres all day, every day, and they're such an important part of the transport industry. So 20 years myself have been in the tyre industry, working across every state and territory of Australia. And my current business and role as a national sales manager of our Haulmax Wingman program for the last 10 years is working with fleets to on a daily basis to provide industry-leading ideas and solutions, working with industry bodies to improve efficiencies and reduce costs out in the market.
Fantastic. And look, I understand that Haulmax Tyres specialises in specific Australian engineered truck tyres. So it's designed specifically for the local roads and the operating conditions. Let's face it, the roads around Australia can be a little bit touch and go. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we have our own engineers based in Victoria. We design tyres for a fleet's needs. So we say fit for purpose. So what we try to do is we try to build a tyre that fills a fleet's or an industry's needs. So we have built tyres in the past for the West, and it's actually on the sidewall. It has Pilbara. We've built tyres for the sugarcane industry up in North Queensland, called the Sugar Daddy. So what we try to do is we try to build a specific tyre that will actually focus on a need of the industry. That might be extra strength, extra load rating for the mining industry, or it might be around rolling resistance to with saving of fuels, or it might be a wear thing. So everything that we try to do is to fix a need of the industry.
Excellent. And give us, to do with cold chain, how do you intend to tailor to the refrigerated transport operators' expectations?
Excellent, thank you. So it's a bit of a passion, this space, for myself. So through our OEM partners now, we've been getting fitted to a lot of fridge pans for a while now, and our network with more than 600 tyre dealers nationally now provides service for some of Australia's largest refrigerated transport operators. And so from a product standpoint, we find a tyre that really provides great CPK value, where it's nice and flat. You can get consistency of supply. You can actually have it fitted to an Australian built trailer. Then you can actually have an account with our Wingman network and get the tyre aftermarket, the same tyre that's fitted at the original point. And then our network of 600 dealers provides industry-leading breakdown response times. With a network of 600 dealers, and we don't just have one dealer on the key transport routes, there could be multiple. We understand that you've got to get to markets at a certain time to get your slots. So our breakdown network, especially rural, because we do build tractor tyres and have partnerships with tractor dealerships, we help get transport customers to that market and time slots.
That's really interesting to hear, because the cold chain is not necessarily the same as any other industry. In fact, we both know that it's very, very different and it has specific needs. So I love to hear that you're being specific in your and tailoring to our space. How do Haulmax Tyres help transport businesses improve safety, reduce operating costs? Because let's face it, fuel's a bit of an issue at the moment. Thank you, Hormuz. And maximise tyre life in Australia's demanding operating environment, because cost is everything.
I'm glad you bring it up. So we can build the best tyres in the world. Our competitors can build the best tyres in the world. If you don't have the right prevention maintenance or the tailored tyre program nationally that provides uniformity, the correct best fitting practices, matching up tyres, mismatching, having different brands. So through our network of 600 dealers, and you may not have seen our dealers aren't painted up in our colours. They're different brands. The tyre market's full of independents. What we do is we have 45 account managers nationally that go out through service level agreements, work with a dealer to manage a fleet's need at different levels. So you have a national account manager level, state-based, depot level. So you're getting the best support nationally, and then we're able to pull levers around fitment policies. If you're in Griffith, you can have a different tyre that might wear a little bit different to what you might need in North Queensland or in Western Australia. So we can actually tailor our programs with a fleet's needs. So a fleet knows their needs better than us. They know their fleet better than us. So we want to go out, have an introduction with them, understand their needs, and build a program from the start to finish that allows them to have control of their full tyre program.
Your experience is speaking volumes, Billy. And look, thank you for being part of the RWTA. And it's been great learning more about Haulmax Tyres and how your Australian engineered solutions help support the refrigerated transport in Australia. Thank you for being here today.
No, thank you for having us, and we're looking forward to working with you and your members.
Absolutely. Thank you, Billy. Bye.
Thank you.